Right here I have this portable, electronic, automatic makeup brush cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, show you what it looks like before we try it out. This is everything that came inside the package besides the user manual. Right here we have the actual brush cleaner itself. And you can see right down here on the bottom, this is the little power button. It has a light that's going to illuminate when you have it on both low and high. And then a light over here for spin dry. We have this little spin dry button right over here. On the bottom of this does have 4 little suctions. That way it's not gonna move around on your countertop. You can see right here, you push it down, you definitely have to pull on it to take it off, which is gonna be really nice. Right here we have a little silicone gel bowl, and you can remove that in order to clean it. You can see just like this. And when you're ready to put it right back on, you just fit this silicone piece right back in there. Something that I like about this design is that it does have this little lip so that the fluid on the inside isn't going to come out as easily. Power cord right here. This is just a USB to Type-C port. And this is where the actual port on the device is. This also does come with a little bit of cleaning fluid. So the idea for this cleaner is that you can actually do large or medium brushes, 1 to 3 pieces at a time. And for just the small brushes, you can do 5 to 8 pieces at a time. Depending on whether you're using this in the low or the high speed setting, you're going to put either 50 milliliters or 30 milliliters of water in here. The lower the speed, the little bit more water you can put in. And then you're gonna put just a little bit of this cleaning fluid or whatever soap that you like to use. And then once you push power, the process takes about 20 seconds, and then you do spin dry, and it'll take about 10 seconds for that to finish. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in so that we can try it out. And for your own reference, there are 2 different levels of water that you put in here. They do have these little lines on the inside of the bowl, so you don't have to measure out your water. And then you can see while you're washing your brush in here, there are these little like silicone pieces in here that are going to help just get rid of all of the debris that has been caked up on the brushes. The brush that I'm going to be cleaning today with this is this little powder brush. This is mostly used for blush. As you can see, it kind of has that pink color to it, and it definitely needs washed. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with the low amount of water, a couple drops of this, and then we're going to try it out. Okay, we have the water in here, and we have our soap. So now I'm just going to hold my brush right here and push the start button to clean. And you can kind of move it around if you feel like you need to. Okay, so after I let that go for about 20 seconds, you can see, I don't know if you can tell how dirty this water is. So you can see that was really clear water to begin with, and now it's just really murky. That's very gross. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dump this water out so we can use the drying feature. Now that I have the water dumped out, I'm just gonna turn on the drying feature right here. This does automatically turn off after 5 minutes, just as a safety feature. Okay, you can see after I already washed the brush and just kind of dabbed out the water, there is so much water that was still left in this, and this really helped to pick up a lot of that extra water. So now I can go ahead and dump this water out and do it again just to get a little bit of extra water out of here as well, or I can just leave this to finish air drying now that excess water has been removed from the brush. Overall, I'm really impressed with how much easier that was to clean than creating your own solution and washing them out by hand, especially if you have multiple brushes. It's gonna make the process a lot easier just to keep all of your brushes sanitary and clean.